Okay, so in this question, we want to find the general solution for the given differential equation, right? So first of all, the coefficient of y is -2, right? So here p is equal to -2, and on the right hand side, we have a function q. So here q is equal to e raised to 4x, right? Now, first of all, we need to find the integrating factor mu, right? So the equation of mu is given by e raised to integration of p dx, and here p is equal to -2, integration of -2, that is -2x, right? Okay, now the general solution is given by y is equal to integration of mu multiplied by q dx plus c divided by mu, right? Now substitute all these values over here.